I'm Omer, and I love to ride scooters.
No!
I'm Omer, and this is my bike check. Right, start from the top, work my way down. Local XL bars with animal Edwin grips. The bars come in 8.75 rise and 29 rise, but I calm down to 28s. A colony official stem with unknown badda boom forks. Right, front wheel, we've got a profile mini on the front with alienation skylark rim. Profile racing cranks with odyssey twisted pedals in orange. And some random bottom bracket. I have a mirraco sprocket 28 tooth.
Look, I got him doing a well good manual though. Exactly, actually I've got you doing a well good manual. Not right.
Right, back wheel got a profile hub in green with an alienation black sheep rim. Seat, I've got a mongoose seat. I did have a federal fat seat, but this bit ripped and it just completely destroyed. I have a salt pivotal post.
Right, you've got to stay on this side anyway.
Set up, I have an Odyssey M2 lever with the cables that come with it. A normal vocal gyro plate and the detangler. I have some snafu bottom cables. I got two different cables, cut them because I thought it'd, be cool. And some exposure calipers work pretty good.
That's alright. Pedal still, right?
Oh! I run a 28.9. It's a faster gear and I ride a lot of ramps. My chain is a Shadowcon chain, quite strong chain, so I fall off quite a lot and it holds it up quite well. The main part of my bike and the favourite bit of my bike is the Mirraco black pearl frame in green. Love this colour, such a sick colour. Haven't had this bike for ages, but it's a strong frame.